In this video, I will show you how I made this animation in After Effects. I separated the head and eye pupil layers in Photoshop so I could have more control in After Effects. Then I added the PSD file to After Effects as a composition. Next, I added this transparent frame image to it. By the way, you can download the project file linked in the description. After adjusting the size, I added a rectangle inside of a frame image as a matte layer to our pre-composed layer. Next, I added this nail picture, drew a mask with the pen tool. Basically, I did Photoshop job in After Effects, because I was too lazy. Then again with the pen tool, I drew this rope to hang our picture frame from the nail. I drew the one side and then copied the second, as a mirror effect. Then I created a null layer to control everything on my timeline with this layer. I parented everything to it, including the nail layer. Of course, the anchor point of this null layer should be placed exactly on a nail. Then I added rotation keyframes to the null layer to make our frames swing. After adding main keyframes, I just copied and pasted them. Now the easiest part. I added a hand image, applied black and white effect on it. Then I added position keyframes to the hand layer, matched the exact timing of the swinging frame. I eased the keyframes with F9 and played around with timing in the graph editor. After doing that, I copied and pasted the keyframes to match the motion. Next is the fun part. I double-clicked the pre-composed layer to be able to adjust eye and head movement. Then again, using the pen tool, I drew a matte shape for the pupil layer. After that, I chose that layer as a matte option for the pupil. Now the pupil would move only inside that shape. Next, easiest part again. Simple position keyframes matching the hand touching movement in the animation. Right to the left. Exactly the same thing goes for the head layer. After placing the anchor point around the neck, I added rotation keyframes and adjusted them in the same motion timing. Right to the left. Next, I wanted to add some texture animation to the tie, so again I used the pen tool to draw a shape over it. Then I added random texture which I changed at the end, but that's not the point. The point is that when I choose the matte option for this texture layer on the shape, I could animate the texture inside of it. I randomly adjusted scale, position and rotation keyframes on texture layer. Then chose toggle hold keyframe and added loop out expression for each property. Lastly, I wanted to experiment with puppet pins and I added pins to the body layer. Then I adjusted only the shoulder pins, moving them up and down. Lastly, the wiggle expression to the head was added to make it more alive, I guess. To finish up, I added camera zoom in and camera zoom out, and that's it, the animation is done. Let me know if you liked this quick breakdown of the animation. If you want to dive deep into it, the full process is available for channel members. It is messy, I didn't cut problem solving parts so you could see how painful motion design is. If you don't feel like being a member, you can find another collage animation tutorials on my channel. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. I will see you in the next one.